Blackview has launched its latest business model called the A200 Pro with the 108 megapixel main camera and advanced Blackview ArcSoft 6.0 algorithms, a 2.4K 120Hz AMOLED curved display, business-friendly DocOS 4.0, a 6nm Helio G99 processor, 5050 mAh battery and support for super fast charging 66 watts. In terms of design, it adheres the trendsetter style of A series, the 3D curved display and the curved back with the rounded edges provide an ergonomic curvature for a perfect grip, ensuring users the best experience. For security and convenience, while maintaining the elegant design, it uses optical fingerprint sensor under the 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The curved display with the 2.4K high resolution and dynamic refresh rate of 120Hz, which offers stunning color fidelity. Modern day Blackview has also made efforts for the health of the user's eyes with reduced harm from blue light. Furthermore, the screen will be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 layer for better resistance to scratches and cracks. Made in 6nm technology, the top octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor will power the smartphone. It's equipped with up to astonishing 24GB of RAM, which means that 12GB of internal working memory can be expanded with twice as much with virtual memory, all in addition to the 256GB of RAM, which can be further expanded by up to 1TB with TF cards. The A200 Pro has the integrated triple cooling system that dissipates heat, ensuring a better experience with CPU and GPU performance. In terms of cameras, the A200 Pro will feature a 6 megapixel Samsung selfie camera that will allow users to capture perfect selfies indoors and outdoors. The rear boasting a flagship level revolutionary triple camera setup consisting of 108 megapixel Samsung main camera with the new nanopixel plus technology, along with the 8 megapixel 170-degree wide-angle lens and 2 ultra macro sensor. A200 Pro comes with the 5050 mAh battery for users on business trips, ensures portability with a weight of only 196 grams and allows users to stay connected to their daily contacts with the multi-day standby. 66-watt fast charging ensures the battery is charged from up to 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. As for the price and launch date of the A200 Pro, the phone will go on sale on AliExpress starting from tomorrow, the 21st of August. So hurry up, press the link below the video and grab the Blackview A200 Pro today while you still have a chance at the lowest price of only $181 with coupon code, which will be offered only to the first 1000 customers. But that's not all, the first 200 customers also get the Blackview AirBuds as a gift for free, and rest assured that it will be sell out in no time. So start shopping right now, the link is below. That will be all for me for today. See you soon in the next video, bye.